Yes, the explosion was the hardest that people in Lebanon who live in Lebanon have experienced. I mean, destruction was so bad. 300,000 families were displaced, lost their homes. So, and it came after, very hard COVID days, of course, like everywhere in the world, but also a terrible financial crisis. So people kind of lost hope. For me, I think laughter is as important as food and shelter. I feel like we we lose as people. We lost, houses, but we also lost joy and we lost hope. And it's only with laughter that we can get these back, or at least some of it back. So when we laugh, our bodies become more relaxed. We keep remembering this moment of laughter. We come together as people laughing together, and this elevate spirits and make the pain little bit less painful. I mean, so many great stories happened to us, but of course, one of the most important ones was this girl who hadn't spoken for a month after the explosion. And then after she saw the performance, she went home. And for the first time she spoke, she recounted the performance to her father. This was her medium to talk. And it was, I think, this is one of the most powerful stories that show how much laughter and clowning do make a difference and are so needed in places of crisis. And I would say it wasn't only kids who really felt great after the performances, but also adults. We had so many adults who had very true laughter, or maybe or even like crying moments watching us, and then coming to us and saying that this was the best thing they've had since the explosion.